right? All it's going to be doing is it'll have, and it can have tens of these, create them, and then you can say, hey, I want to deal just with the NASDAQ. So you'll do that, or compare that, the NASDAQ and the Dow 30 and the 100, and it can do it on a constant basis. And give me at the end, every day it gives me a report. And when do I concern that all of a sudden that this strategy no longer works?
Yeah.
And then
one thing I've also found,
what?
you can duplicate these at the bottom.
Right.
That probably saves some time.
Yeah. So when you duplicate it, then you don't have to try. Does it let you?
Yeah, then you don't have to fill in all the information again.
Right. Perfect. And then you have the correct dates, and you just change the instrument.
Yeah. So say you did assignment 1 and then 2, you could just change it from backtest to optimize and leave the settings almost the same.
Well, for optimize, you have to change the settings.
Yeah, the parameters.
The parameters, but everything else. Yeah, exactly. And you could do the backtest of the, let's say, all 3 of the indexes. You almost could do in reverse. Do that reverse, and then go back to the first exercise, right? Or come back to the first one. But it's the same idea. The first exercise, what is good is that you've already done the charts. But I just wanted to show you, for today, I wanted to show you that those settings work that way. Okay, any questions? So, the first exercise then, Nikita, is due Wednesday, and then the optimization is due on the following Monday. And Wednesday we'll go over, I'll give you a review sheet for the exam and open-ended questions, and go over security, and then on Monday I'll do a full, during the weekend, then you can study and then come up on Monday, Nikita, and ask me questions during the class, and we'll do a full review. And if you have no questions, I'll do a review of what I think is important. So questions, Nikita?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Do you have any questions?
No, I understood it. Thank you.
Okay, great. Anything else? Any comments, Daniel, that you want to cover?
No. Grades are posted. If anyone has issues, just email me or professor.
Okay.
Yeah. Best of luck with Ninja Trade.
Okay. All right. So let's do this. Let's. Can you do attendance?
I can.
Yeah. So why don't you do? Since you're the co-host today. Let's see if you can do.
I'm already there. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see if you can do attendance.
Sure. All right.
Okay. And check in. You just have to go to check in to the left, right?
Yep.
Okay.
8950.
8950. So when I want to thank then Dan take over when we had all these connection issues.
It happens.
It happens all the time.
Chaos is the expectation with tech.
Right. That's the expectation that we prepare for if there are issues. We can prefer it. Okay, great. So I think
if you guys have questions, stay to the end.
Yeah, and then you can stay with me. Thank you very much, and thanks a lot. And hopefully that clarified. And Nikita, thanks.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm staying on just because I wanted to quickly just make sure that I understood your messages that you sent, Daniel.
Sure.
Okay.
So, sorry, I'm trying to sign in as well at the same time for attendance.
Okay.
It's all good. If you don't make it in time, I can always update it manually after.
Okay.
I'm having some trouble downloading Ninja Trader on a computer. Like I used it in the computer lab, but for some reason, like when I try to download it, it won't like download on my computer.
Okay. What
Oh, you
computer?
want
Go
Are
ahead,
you on a
Daniel.
Mac? Or?
I'm on a Mac, yeah.
Yeah, you can't download it to the Mac. Although you can use the Citrix if that works.
You can use the
So-
virtual. Did you try the virtual?
The virtual, what's the virtual? Sorry.
What were you trying to do?
Remember the VDI assignment where you connect?
Yeah, and I was having trouble, like, even opening the VDI on my computer.
Should we go through that?
Or you know what, Jasper? What I suggest you do is, did it work for you on the in NinjaTrader in the lab?
Yeah.
So I would suggest you go to the lab and do the assignment there.
Okay. And what? So, like, when will the like? Okay. So.
Did you do anything in the lab? Did you
Yeah, I got the first two. I got the two assignments.
Okay, so
that
that's
were supposed
great.
to
So you
occur.
got it for Wednesday, and so now go ahead and go to the lab for the second assignment. So you'll have time.
Okay. All right.
And then when you get
All right.
stuck, Jasper, then on Wednesday you can stay after class and see what's the issue.
All right. Perfect. All right.
You know
thank
what I mean? This way, because you're gonna mess with that VDI for hours. You know, and it's not gonna work. And
Okay.
now you know where the lab is. You know how to
Yeah.
operate NinjaTrader from the lab. It's just easier. Just go there. And I think it's
All
open.
right. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, great,
Professor?
Jasper.
Professor,
Yes.
hi. I don't know what happened, but my attendance wasn't booked, and so it says I was absent, but I've been here.
I know.
Refresh.
Oh. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.
Great.
You
Thank
too.
you.
I'm sorry, I was using the restroom, and then I came back, and then now I need the code, and then
Refresh.
refresh. Okay, thank you. And then also for last class, I was there last class. I just left early, so I didn't get the code, but I did the assignment. I think you remember, Daniel. I did it. I was with Duncan.
Yeah.
I just had to leave. I just had to leave early. I had a personal issue going on, so. Is that okay? Do I still get attendance for that day? I mean, I was there. I completed my assignment. I turned
Yeah,
it in.
fine.
on time.
That's fine. Daniel will
Perfect. I'll
update.
do that.
Okay?
Perfect.
Dylan?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Great.
Have a good one.
Yeah.
Cam, I also fixed yours.
Oh, thank you. I was also gonna ask. I have like an incomplete assignment for the video, the VDI tutorial. Is there any way I could make that up?
That's up to you, Professor. I don't mind.
Okay, go ahead.
I was.
Are you
yeah.
using VDI?
Yeah, I have it all set up. I've used it
Okay, so
before,
just
so I
record
was
it, and and Daniel will just upload it and let Daniel know when you upload
Yeah,
it.
Okay,
send me an
I'll do
email
that.
once it's done.
Oh, and the
Oh,
main
yeah,
thing,
I'll do that tonight.
yeah, the main thing, Cam, was we want to make sure that everybody got it running, and if there were problems,
Right.
but yours is working, so it should be
Yeah, mine's around.
perfect. And did you do all the assignments, Cam?
Well, I did. I was a little confused because I was told, I believe, that like for the second part of the assignment, which had like 3 different parts to it,
Right.
only like one of those were due. I did everything that we were supposed to do in class.
Okay,
but I
fine.
wasn't.
Okay, so the other
That's
part
good.
is, so when you get a chance, you've gotten the part with the back testing, the first one, right?
Yeah.
So
I
that
did the
that
back
that
testing.
okay. So then finish up the optimization. You have time for that.
Okay, and when does that do?
That's due on Monday, next Monday.
Okay, so the whole week.
You
Yeah,
have the whole
everything is
week.
in the what's due and
Yeah,
the
what's see?
assignment
So you have that part. You don't have to rush on it. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Unless you
Yeah,
just
I'll
want
get the VDI video.
get the
turned in.
VDI first. You've done the back testing, and then you can
Right.
work on the optimization. But
That should be
But you know the advantage, Cam, if you're already doing the VDI and you're already doing it, the recording,
Yeah.
see if you can finish up the optimization. It's not that difficult. And maybe then on Wednesday, if you have
Oh, I have
issues,
to videotape those too.
no.
No.
No, you don't.
Oh, but like as I'm doing it, I can just knock it all out. Yeah.
You know, I mean, you're already connected. Might as well finish it up. I'm just giving you
Right.
in terms of the time frame. You know, why just do that and just finish? You know, you could stop the
Yeah.
recording once you got the connection,
Yeah. Agreed. Okay. I'll get
and
that
then
done.
and then finish it up. And I'm saying, and then if you have issues on Wednesday, you can stay after class and say, these are my issues I'm having. So it'll
Oh, do
be,
we have a lab class Wednesday?
no.
Oh.
But I'm just saying, you can stay after class and say, hey, this is my issue I had on that exam, my assignment, rather than waiting to the end, and, then Sunday night it's not working. You know how it is.
Right.
Everything
Yeah,
is.
thank you so much.
You're welcome. Trying just to be more efficient, that's all.
Mm.
For you, save you time. Okay, keep up the good work, Cam.
Oh, thanks. Bye.
Thanks. Okay. So what's up, Nikita?
So basically, I just wanted to clarify something really quick because I know that you messaged me, Daniel, and said that there were just a few tweaks that I had to make to it. So basically, I was just confirming that I could possibly instead because I did it obviously, and I'm pretty sure it's pretty similar what we have to do for the part that I did do, which was for the second assignment, and when I
It's very similar.
Wednesday. So I was saying, is it possible, do you think, for me to use my information from the Excel sheet that I got to find this information for what I need for the assignment that's due Wednesday, for the net profit and the data range, or?
I mean, theoretically you could, but it won't be the same format.
So just read.
Is it a problem to use the Citrix and do it again, or?
I could. I guess, yeah, I definitely could. I was just trying to figure out, I don't know how I ended up doing the second assignment that's due instead of the first.
It happens.
And,
So
that's why I was just trying.
yeah. So just do the first assignment. So you've gotten the second.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
We made it through.
Yeah. I appreciate you in the background. It worked out
Of
well.
course.
It worked out well that sometimes it even works out better that you share your screen and then we talk about it together. So then you go in and
I wouldn't mind
start.
doing that in the future.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.